Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I'm going to show you what I got from Michaels. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to my little crochet family, and if you've been with me from the beginning, then thank you so much, or even if you've just been with me for 1 minute, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it. If you are a fan of hauls, yarn hauls and crochet related hauls, as well as a fan of quick and easy tutorials, some of them not so quick, but easy tutorials, beginner tutorials, as well as reviews for crochet products and the like, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're reminded every time I put out a new video. So I know you want to see what I got from Michaels, and I am excited to show you. Now in this haul, I got some yarn, of course. I mean, order from Michaels and not get yarn? That's crazy talk. So I did get some yarn, but what I'm most excited about is an accessory that I got, a little storage thing that I got. So first, let me show you the yarn. So I've been hearing a lot about the Craftsman, Craftsmart yarn, and how soft it is, which I got a little thing sticking out of that one. Look at that, that's funny. Which that feels nice. I think the Walmart yarn probably feels a little bit softer, but at least based on that one little bit right there. I haven't opened this up yet, and I probably won't until I go to use them. But it doesn't feel nearly as rough as Red Heart does, and I'm not a Super Saver fan. So just a heads up, I'm not a Super Saver fan. I go for Walmart brand of their basic yarn before I get Super Saver. Anyway, I digress. Let's talk about what I did get and what I do like. I did get the Craftsmart Value Tweed. So I got that in the red tweed. And I knew I had a purpose for this, and I can't recall. I think I'm going to make some hats with this, with the white brim. So I think that was my intent with this. But anyway, I got the red tweed. And I got 3 balls of that. And just to tell you a little bit about the yarn, I'm not going to open this, so I'm just going to tell you some about it. Just tell you a little bit about the yarn. It is, it's a worsted weight. It's a basic yarn, so it's a worsted medium weight, and it recommends a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. It is 97% acrylic and 3% viscose, which I think the viscose is the tweed part. So it's your basic acrylic, and the color is called cranberry. Oh, and in each of these balls you get 252 yards and 5 ounces, or 231 meters and 141 grams. And the cowl that they show right there, let's see if that's gonna, there we go. That cowl, it's saying that it is a crochet tweed cowl, and it's about intermediate as far as difficulty it's rating it at, and you use a 5.5 millimeter hook, and you need 2 balls for that cowl. So maybe I'll make the cowl. Maybe I'll make a hat and the cowl. We'll see. What else did I get? Okay, so sticking with the Craftsman and wanting to try it out, I went ahead and picked up these. So this is your regular Craftsman. I got a very pale kind of blue. I was thinking of making a baby blanket or making a throw for my mother. But I just gave her a throw. So it's gonna be a little bit before I break into this. But, or I might make a baby blanket with it. And to tell you a little bit about this yarn, so it is also a worsted weight 4, also recommends the 5.5 millimeter hook. It is machine wash, cold, gentle cycle, do not bleach. And I didn't see the machine wash, I didn't tell you what the machine wash instructions, I think it's probably the same. Machine wash, cold, gentle cycle, do not bleach, tumble dry low. Okay, and tumble dry low. Yep, same exact washing instructions for both the tweed and the plain. And the color, this color is called Ice blue, which that looks like a nice blue to me. And let's go ahead and tell you how much is in it. So there are 354 yards or 7 ounces, and 7 ounces, it is 7 ounces, or 324 meters and 198 grams. So, there you go. Okay, so, yeah, so I got this. I think I was thinking about a blanket of some sort, either throw or a baby blanket of some sort for that. So, the last bit of yarn, and I'm going to tell you, when I got my package, one of these skeins of yarn came out really, really bad. See, I'm going to show you. I've wrapped it up now, but this is what it looks like now. This is a brand new ball of yarn. Brand new to me. Ball of yarn. I'm going to show you a series of pictures of how this was came to me when I opened the box. What I saw when I opened the box. So, yeah. I'm going to show you that, and then I'll talk about it a little bit more here after I show you a better ball. I always buy these and everything in balls of 3, and in fact you can't even order it off of Michaels unless you're buying it in a ball of 3 usually, because that's how it's packaged in these packages like this. So they can just throw the pack in there, and so you have to buy a ball of 3. These did not come in a little bag like that. These came out separately, and they came in, as you've seen from the pictures, it was not looking good. But let me tell you a little bit about this. This is, of course, Charisma, my all-time favorite yarn, which Red Heart Unforgettable is slowly creeping up there. But anyway, my all-time favorite yarn is Charisma, the Loops and Thread Charisma yarn. This one is light gray heather, and it is a bulky 5. They do recommend an 8mm hook with this, and crochet hook with this, and it is machine wash, warm, gentle cycle, do not bleach, tumble dry low, just like the other acrylic yarns that I got. It is probably 100% acrylic. Let me double check on that. Yes, 100% acrylic. I'm sorry, it's like right here in plain sight, right there. There you go. It's 100% acrylic. So, yeah, so it is very squishy. I love this yarn. It's super soft. I make all sorts of things with this, and I always get them on sale. It wasn't as good a sale this time. These were like $2.99, and even the other yarn was $2.99. They've been on better sales than that, but that's not the reason why I bought it. I bought these to bring my order up to $50 so I could get the free shipping. So that's what that was about. And hi, so it is a few days later, and I'm interjecting myself into myself. What is this, like a YouTube video inception? Maybe, maybe not. Anyway, I'm interjecting myself because I have just shown you how that yarn came from Michaels.com when I ordered it, and how it was a mess and stuck in the tape and everything. And what I didn't tell you is that when I called them to let them know, hey, this happened, they were amazing about just taking care of it. They did what they should have done. So I called them, I let them know, hey, this is how I got it. It was damaged, all stuck in the tape. I have many pictures. I have like 4 pictures, and not many, 4 pictures, and I told them, if you want me to, I can email them to you. And they said, no, that's okay, but I will go ahead and replace it. And they're shipping me another one. It's on the way. So I wanted to let you know that experience. While it did come to me all crazy, and stuff happens, we all know stuff happens, but in this particular case, they did right, and they replaced it, and it was no questions asked. So, and they didn't have me return the other ball too, so I'll be able to use what is usable out of that ball, which is great. Not my intent on getting in touch with them, but hey, I got a little extra yarn out of it for my trouble, so yay. But I wanted to let you know that they made it right, and I thought it was important that you guys should know that it wasn't just the negative. I mean, yeah, it sucks that got shipped that way, and I wish they were in the bag and it would have avoided that. But like I said, stuff happens, and they made it right, so we're good. Now, on to what I'm super excited about. So, I don't know if any of you guys watch Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I do. I love her. I think she's super sweet. and I love her projects and everything that she does. So I, on her channel, she's been doing a series of whip cards, and ever since I've been watching that series, I have been wanting to get a whip cart. So I've had it in my my cart forever, you know, my shopping cart online forever. I was gonna get it off of Amazon, but I ended up getting it through Michaels instead because they have a bigger variety of colors, so I like the color variety. So let me show you my whip cart and the color that I chose to get, if I can pick it up. It's big. Oh yeah, I can pick it up, it's fine. So there we go. There's my whip cart. It's nice and lavender, and I'll show, and at the end I'll do a little video and show you what it looks like once I get it all put together. But so there is my whip cart, and to go with this, because you know you can get accessories, and I noticed that I had the air conditioning on the whole time, so hopefully it's not too distracting. But to go with this, I did get the topper. So I got this to go with it, and if it's big enough, I might start doing my my tutorials on there if it's big enough. And then also to go with this I got actually at Amazon, but this I got an accessory kit. And that's it for today. I got the cart and the little bit of yarn, and here coming up shortly you will see the video of the cart once it's put together, and enjoy that please. But until next time, you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.